I'm coming.
He's coming, chat! Piece of shit, she's always hiding!
Your Winston's coming back?
No! That's like too much effort. Top 500 with Lucio will be fucking easy, dude. You just fucking wait.
Hey, oh!
Get this Winston. Or Mercy, I don't care. Mercy's one there side.
She dead.
On me.
Almost got 100 to 0 by a Lucio, chat.
Monkey lit, monkey.
Oh, he's dead.
Oh, are you serious? Hog coming in.
Hack Genji, you can't dash or anything.
Securing the objective.
Who's over? I'm gonna hack the pack.
My ultimate is ready.
Do they have a diva coming in? Oh, fuck!
Later.
I fed, chat. Unity. Thanks so much for subbing. Drop healing station with my poor Sombra.
He was hacked, she can't run.
Let's go. You can hack. Where is she?
She ran back.
I have ult.
We can push with aimbot if you get a hack on the diva pretty easily here.
I'm gonna throw my shit in.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, here we go.
We're going in. Ready?
Good stuff, dude.
Mercy! Delay diva. Don't kill her. Kill her now. Oh no!
Inside.
Get you low,
Hey, get the mercy. Hey, that was nice.
Good job.
Hello.
Time to raise my AP.
I hate Mercy Res.
They're coming around the right side, guys.
Yeah. I have Winston ult if we need it.
I'm surprised I have a Reaper right now, I'll be honest.
I think Tracer's getting around.
There she is.
Apparently he's owning though.
He's anti.
He's dead.
You coming, Sombra?
Alright,
Leave it to
Tracer.
die.
Just hack.
Got her. Nice.
Nice.
Get the Mercy.
Speed shimmers!
Diva almost got me. Diva's about to get me.
Hack hog. You can't hook. He's low.
I got Mercy.
Get diva to see that I can aimbot.
She's really low.
You guys are two up. Come back.
Alright, I got hack again.
Alright, we can just hack the Diva.
Yeah, we can hack diva and do that combo again.
Or should we wait for Reaper or are we going?
We gotta make something happen or we're going to die.
Yeah, we can do it.
I'm going out left side then. You guys are ready?
Tactical visor ready for deployment.
Tell me when you're
I think they backed up.
They're all on point.
They're all trying to LOS the EMP on
Ready?
point.
Go in a couple seconds.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! I'm waiting for Diva, Diva.
What?
I got her.
Where's the mercy?
She's hiding.
Mercy's dead.
There you go.
She's dead.
She's dead.
Mutilate this. Keep up.
You can keep her alive.
Now we got a cap.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sure, yeah, okay, point.
My ult's,
Let's get it.
Again, point.
Try to knock him off, dude, if they go right side.
yeah, that's
You got back up, bro. You got back. Oh.
You actually thought?
Mercy's almost dead. Mercy's very low.
On me in the back lines.
Mercy dead.
Oh.
Get you low in the back.
Get the throw up. I'm not here to heal. I'm not here to heal. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
He's coming, chat! Piece of shit, she's always hiding!
Your Winston's coming back.
No! Tracer's hacked backside, you can kill her at Healing Station. Are you fucking with me? We're actually gonna lose this? I'm so tilted. Kill D.Va, baby.
The war goes on.
Get it low if you guys. Oh shit.
We should have won that, man. At the very end, if I lived at the very end, would have won that 100%. The Tracer killed me.
I on myself. I didn't get to sleep with Mercy, and she got the res. I saw her coming in.
That fucking blows. I hate that shit. It sucks too, cause it's like I was really trying my heart out there. Like I kited the Genji sword, I like juked it. I kited for days, did like I went around the map like fucking twice, and she's just hiding at her spawn, and then comes out late and then reses. It's like, I guess I didn't check the one part of the map, you know, next to their spawn, but.
I got it.
Their white room.
My ultimate is charging.
I'm going for. Nope. Good.
I hit shift. Made mistakes, team.
Trying to need another healer on the.
Hack road. No hook. Dead.
My tactical visor is
You
charging.
guys are even.
I'm hacking D.Va in 2 seconds.
Thank you. Put down the healer. Put down the healer. Oh.
I'm sorry they suicide for you. Stolen him, Cap, we're good. Mercy's weak, Mercy's weak. Kill Mercy.
Get Mercy. Get Mercy.
Lights out.
Nice shot, guys. Should be it.
I'm taking the objective. Get over here.
Thank you, dude.
Much better.
Alright, I hacked both small attacks. If you guys want to use them.
Toby Srace for 3 months says, seek hey to Uncle Swag. Aw.
They're coming server room.
Left side.
Just go
Oh, shit.
70. I got hooked. I got hooked.
Throw him a healer.
I can hack right here.
Test.
I can aim bot from outside.
I'm going for Mercy. Oh shit, there's a hog right here! She's all the way in the back on their side. With the hog.
She's dead.
Nice, nice.
Nice.
Hello. Thank you.
Also, Dr. J-Dog, thank you for the prime sub.
Hello.
See, we have to carry harder? I just have to kill everyone. Can't be a 5k,
Coming
it's
around.
gotta be a
He's
6.
coming around, guys.
I see him, he's backing up.
I come,
Hog hook down for a second.
how coming toward you, 76?
Backing up then.
You got soldier.
I'm going for.
Fuck, I thought I was outside of hook
Outside,
range.
outside.
I should have kept running instead of shooting.
I'm on her, I'm on
My
her.
bad.
Where? Me and Monkey got her.
Plus point for that, but
I hacked.
Oh shit! Reaper's doing work finally.
okay, they just back. They only took 11%.
Seagull, it's either a 6k or an 11k. Pick
Just someone
one.
gets to get high ground over here. I got
Hog's
the
approaching me.
That's
What?
true.
Hawks left.
Natsu end?
Good sleep. I'm holding backup point.
I almost have EMP.
Much better.
Hog low, hog low. Oh
Hog's
no!
going coast.
D.Va's here too? Really? Fuck.
We tryna. We have aimbot or no?
I'm 90.
I hacked her down, so.
We're
We
backing up.
just gotta
we're
hack
backing
the
up.
D.Va, otherwise it's not gonna work.
Alright, I have my EMP. We just gotta get.
Rodog's pushing, careful.
Hack Genji, hack Genji.
Oh,
Hog's here though, careful.
ooh, we gotta move in on that.
Alright, going invis. I'm gonna.
If you, the Mercy's hiding top, can someone clear it? I'm fucking, I'm gonna go through top. Just kidding, Rodog's playing there.
God.
Rodog's weak, Rodog's weak.
Mercy's up top. Mercy's up top now.
And she solo res Hog behind you, Zen.
You should beat them. Mech suits down. You can go crazy.
They're pretty weak.
On
On point,
side.
Mercy on point, Mercy on point.
Mercy's just flying everywhere.
Hogs one was really weak.
I need that.
Ooh.
It sucks. I couldn't peek with the enemy soldier going on because not the diva. Someone was in front that could tank it if I tried to 1v1 him, even with heal station down first. I would have died. What the? Okay, so he's just. They're playing really close. Careful, I didn't see him.
He's close to a swamp.
The boot boy, Sandra over yonder for 3 months.
Yep, Hawk's behind. Hawk's free, Hawk's free.
Yeah, take him out. He's really low. Nice, nice, nice.
Alright, we gotta move on that now. I'm moving on that.
I won't have EMP plus by watch
They're
out for
stalling the bolts.
God.
What? How the heck?
I know, bro.
It landed on top of the rock and killed him.
Get on, get on, get on.
that. Give him back set. Give him back down.
I'm on soldier. If I
You gotta get that mercy. You gotta get that mercy.
She's hiding top. We can't kill her. She's gonna come in.
That's fine, that's fine. Got it.
I need to get on her.
Oh my.
Hawk's on me.
Hog's weak. There's Diva again. She got res.
Hack D. Oh,
Do we have any ult?
Hack Diva, hack Diva.
Got a touch point. Got a touch point.
Good, huge hack point.
Yeah, they're all hacked.
There's right click again. Just remember, we all like she's only playing top on that point. All you gotta do is jump top and kill her. Like that's it. I just need one person to kill that like I can kill everyone. I just need one person to kill the Mercy. She's hiding in the same places every time. It's so tilting, chat. And people ask me like, "Oh, why do you hate Mercy?" It's because of this game. Like this game right here is a perfect example. You can't convince some of your solo queue teammates to look for Mercy, and then you kill 4 or 5 people, and you lose. Maybe it's like I should be the one hunting for her, but then who's getting the kills, right? So it's why I call her the anti-carry.
Watch for Fair Mercy. They're not running it.
I got the health pack in the white room. You guys need it.
On me.
No one can feel for him, and this sound
Left.
fucking blows. Winston's weak. Soldier's weak.
Moving your point.
Alright, good.
He's gonna suddenly appear, and I'm dead.
Mercy half, Mercy half.
This guy really just flanked all the way around.
Dead, dead.
Yeah,
Point, guys.
he went through window.
So low. They're all low on there. They're all low on point, guys. Heals.
Get the diva.
Lucio's back, Lucio's back.
She's gonna have res if she comes in. Be ready
Yeah,
for
they
it.
have Res coming back right now, too.
She's weak. She's really weak.
I'm a man on a mission.
Oh, shit, no, I didn't. No, I didn't.
Monkey Discord. Send this. Alright, not dead.
I don't have beat drop yet.
Mercy's gonna come in with res. Get ready for it.
Oh, she's right there. I see her. I hacked her.
She's hacked outside. Can we finish Mercy? She's outside. Their side right now. Some point.
Some point, some point.
He ulted. Oh no. Who's that gonna kill her? Oh, he did kill her.
Nice.
I'm not
Okay. Real Janny. Thank you for the prime sub.
Go, dude.
Mercy should be coming back soon.
Just running in circles, boys. This is my life. Man, she solo res.
I'll just wall right up here.
Some anti.
I should have ulted that at the very start of the fight, I think, when I think Diva was maybe walking back. There was one point where I killed Diva and I ulted. I think I killed Diva, and if I ulted that, we probably would have capped. But I didn't think we needed it. Like, it seemed like we killed 3 people, but I guess we did. Feels just like Scrim.
Winston's playing upright.
It's true. Winston's really weak.
Hey, a lot of people.
Mercy's at their bridge.
I got moved off. Feels bad. You guys are even.
Diva's weak.
Down one. Still down two.
She's healing him! Unreal. He was actually 1 bar too, he would have died.
Down and I'll keep getting back up.
The soldier has ult. Let's move with that. Move with
What's
that.
in tap up there?
Alright, let's go on point, guys. I got
Don't get
EMP.
booped. Don't get booped.
I'm securing.
Going. Got Mercy and Diva. Mercy and Diva down.
Yeah, I got booped.
Mercy half. Mercy down. Diva low.
Everyone, heal up.
Nice. Oh, lucky!
I've taken the objective. Get over here. I'm on fire. Hey.
Time to heal up.
That's better.
They took so much damage from the right click. Holy fuck.
The fighting point.
My tactical visor.
Remember, if you hack Diva right now.
Ah, shit. No, he's not. No, she's not. She boot me.
I didn't get. Oh my god! How unlucky. I walk forward to get the Lucy ult, so then we can hack the Diva aimbot in, and I get booped off the map. Jesus fuck.
15%.
My ultimate is almost ready.
Go.
Watch for the move.
Diva's hacked right now. Diva's hacked.
I've got you in my sights.
Monkey just jumped off the map. Nice.
Give us one up there.
By the bridge. Mercy on point. Oh shit, I didn't get Diva. Diva's out of mech.
Genji's on. Genji's outside the point right now. Genji's on point.
Nice. I got EMP.
Honestly, I think the biggest reason this game is so difficult is because we have this Reaper and not a second support for the longest time. We do have 2 supports now, but it's still like, you know, Reaper is not a good pick. So.
I can EMP this. You guys ready? I'm going. Actually, get the
Honestly,
Evil was 11.
You're all hacked.
kill Mercy behind pillar.
I'm reloading.
Fuck.
Slow to slow. Yeah, here we got both them. Diva.
They got me.
Diva super low.
I think I fucked up my heal
Keep down.
station timing in that fight. That's probably why we might lose, but
Sick transit there.
I peeked to kill the Mercy there, and I really wanted to kill her no matter what, and I died to the soldier for it, which kind of blows, but...
Oh, thanks, monkey.
Holy shit! Can we actually gonna stall this now? Someone has to get on point, right? Yeah.
I've got you in my sights. This old dog
Nice try, guys.
a few tricks.
Oh well. GG.
This was the epitome of why I fucking hate Mercy. You have to convince your teammates to look for the Mercy, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, chat. Crashman54, thank you for 16 months. Seagull, why hate on Mercy when your team failed to kill her? Why are you so fucking toxic? Chat, I think I found the triggered Mercy main. No, the sleep! I think I might be...